Okay, so first you've got your piece of paper. Fold it in half. If you're using a printed version like these ones, fold it so that the printing is on the outside. Then open it out and fold it in half again. Okay, and then again. Okay, so now you've got 8 pages. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now fold it in half. On the Kids Club packs, we put a dotted line down the centre, so that just makes it easier for kids to follow if they're doing the cutting. Okay, and then so cut along that to the centre. Don't cut this side. Okay, so now you can open it out, then fold it over. So we've got a nice rectangle. There we go, and we can push, and we've got a nice little diamond shape. This is fun to kind of play with the kids with. What can you see? Okay, so easiest way is just to fold it and then fold it back on itself and push it down like that. Now what you need to do, find your cover page, there it is, and fold it over. Okay, so now we've got our mini book. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Just like that.